Hi guys, I had some requests on how to make these cute little penguins. They're perfect for a holiday hors d'oeuvre. Let's get to it. I use a half a tablespoon and I just slide it into the cheese like so to make a circle. Peel the cheese out from around that. Use that on something later. Then we have our little circle. And we're going to take the knife and just cut out a triangle for our nose. Now we have a cute little beak. I have large olives, which I'm going to cut here. And then I have a little smaller olive. We take one ball of mozzarella and we're just going to slide that into the olive, like so. Take a toothpick, get one of the small olives, and then we're just going to slide it through so it's coming through just like that. Place it on the feet. Take our little beak and place it in the hole of the olive. And there we are. We have our cute little penguin. Happy holidays!